Here is an example of some very smart birds. You can see this giant mower out here mowing down this field, and you see the dust flying and these birds everywhere, and they're following this mower. You see them all around this mower, right behind the mower. And ordinarily, birds don't get near a machine that's making a lot of noise. But these birds, they know there's food behind this mower, and that's why they're following it. This mower is killing a lot of insects out here, and they just walk along behind, fly along, eat all them insects that they're killing and missing. But they miss these birds could jump on them. Yeah. These birds are very smart, and even out in the pasture you'll see them riding on the cow's back as the cows walk around and stir up bugs. They'll fly down and grab them. So don't tell me birds ain't smart. After heavy rains yesterday in Florida, here in Central Florida, these little toadstools, or mushrooms some people call them, just popped up overnight. Look there, they're beautiful. Yep, all over the place. Beautiful but deadly. Some over here. Look at that. That looks like a little shrunken head. Got the eyes on it. But it's one of these mushrooms. Here's one here. It's a little different kind than those others. And but here's some more of those real beauties here. Real beauty over there. Yeah. What more could you want in the sunny part? But they grow in the shade. Very good.